beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great, and if you're new, welcome. So I can't wait anymore. I want Halloween nails now. I'm so ready for it. So I'm gonna do an infill here. I have acrylic nails on, and this color is a gel polish that I really like, but as you can see, I have already some growth. I've had them on for about 3 weeks, and I'm ready to change this up. So let me start by taking off this gel polish. I'm using a ceramic bit. It's medium coarse to take this off. I was gonna wait a little while longer. About a week or so, but I had time now, so I decided to film now. I'm already seeing some creators started doing Halloween designs, and I got motivated. Because if you know me and you watch my videos or follow me on Instagram, you know that I love Halloween. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish taking off the gel polish. I'm gonna go ahead and push the cuticles back. Change the drill bit to a sanding bit. My nails grow really slow, so I barely have any growth. And it's been 3 weeks, but my nails always grow slow. Now I'm going to use the primer from Mia's Secret. This is the Extra Bond Primer, and it's acid free. So I got my mix here. I used Mia's Secret's Cover Pink, which is like a peach cover pink. It's more on the peach side. I took half of that and half of the pink acrylic powder, which is sheer. So what I do is I take half of the cover pink and half of the sheer pink to create this one, because this one for me is too peach. this is how they're looking. They're ready to be painted. I'm going to be using these two colors by ROSALIND. This one is 056 and the black one, which is 040. I thought in my collection of gel polishes that I had a bright orange, but I don't. So I'm gonna use this one. It's like a coral shade. Any links or discount codes will be in the description box in case you're interested. I'm gonna pop that in the lamp for a minute. Okay, so here it is. I did the second coat and I also cured it for a minute. Now I'm gonna use these gel paints right here. This is an orange one and a black one. I'm also gonna use a neon yellow, but I need a brown color and I don't have one, so I'm gonna try to mix this orange with a little bit of black to see if I can create a brown shade. Let me try that first. Okay, it's coming out green instead of brown. It's not that bad. It's like a brown greenish or a greenish brown. So I'm gonna add some lines to this one. This is just going to be in the background. I'm going to cure that in the lamp for a minute. Now I'm going to use the black. I'm gonna cure that in the lamp for a minute. Now I'm gonna add the top coat. I'm using this one by Gelish. So here they are completely done. I hope you liked them. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.